Welcome, my dear students. Today we will be discussing squares and square roots, finding the square of a number. Now you will think you already know how to find the square of a number. You are knowing to find the square of a number by multiplication, direct multiplication. Today you will be dealing with finding the square of a number without actual multiplication. So let us see. Exercise 6.2, class 8, maths question 1. Find the square of the following numbers. First one, 32. How can you split 32? You can split 32 as the sum of two numbers, 30 plus 2. Students, I am taking 30 because it is easy for you to calculate the square of 30. That is, the numbers which end with 0 are easy to calculate the squares. Now, we'll split 30 as 30 plus 2. Now, you would have asked, ma'am, how can we split 32 as 30 plus 2? Why can't we use 28 plus 4? 28 plus 4 is also 32. Then why did you use 30 plus 2? That is what I told you, students. 30 is having 0 in the units place. We choose such numbers to split a whole number so that we can do the multiplication in our minds. Clear? Now 32 square. You are going to find 32 square. So 30 plus 2 the whole square. How will you read this? 30 plus 2 the whole square. Okay, using distributive property we'll do. What is 30 plus 2 the whole square? 30 plus 2 the whole square is 30 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. How will you write? 30 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. Okay. Now how will you do? Here the next step is 30 into 30 plus 2 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. How did you get that? Here the first number is 30. That is what we do as 30 into this bracket. Okay, 30 plus 2. 30 into 30 plus 2 and the second number, which is the second number, plus 2. Okay, plus 2 into the second bracket, which is the second bracket, 30, sorry students, 30 plus 2. It's very difficult to write on this. So 30 plus 2. So what is that? The first number into the second bracket and the second number into the second bracket. That is how you get this step. Hope it is clear to you. So what is 30 into 30? 30 square. And 30 into 2, here 2 into 30 plus 2 into 2. 30 square is 900. How will you write? 3 square is 9. If you have 1 0 in the question, you will have 2 zeros in the answer. That is what you have learned in the properties. Now 30 into 2, 60. 2 into 30, 60. 2 square, 2 into 2, 4. When you add, you will get 1024. What is the answer? 1024. So without doing 32 into 32, you got the answer as 1024. This is how you find the square of a number without actual multiplication. Okay, so let us see the next question. 86. 86 can be splitted as 80 plus 6. 86 can be splitted as 80 plus 6. Then what will you do? 86 square can be written as 80 plus 6 the whole square. 80 plus 6 the whole square is 80 plus 6 into 80 plus 6. 80 plus 6. This one. See, this you can write it as 80 plus 6 the whole square can be written as 80 plus 6 into 80 plus 6. Now, the first number into the second bracket. Here, 80 into 80 plus 6. Then, the second number into the second bracket. That is, plus 6 into 80 plus 6. Clear? Once again, first number into second bracket. Then, second number into second bracket. That is how you get the step here. 80 into 80 plus 6 plus 6 into 80 plus 6. 80 into 80, 6400. 80 into 6, 480. 6 into 80, 480. 6 into 6, 36. When you add all the numbers here, you will get the answer as 7396. 7396. Next question. 93. 93 square. You are going to find the square of 93. How will you split 93? 90 plus 3. 90 plus 3. So, 90 plus 3 the whole square. 90 plus 3 the whole square can be written as 90 plus 3 into 90 plus 3. Now, 90 into 90 plus 3 plus second number into second bracket. First number into second bracket. Second number into second bracket. Okay. Then expanding and simplifying, you will get the answer as 8649. So 93 square is equal to 8649. Similarly, you are going to find the square of 71. You are going to find the square of 71. How can you split 71? You can split 71 as 70 plus 1. So, 71 square can be written as 70 plus 1 the whole square. Here you can see 71 square can be written as 70 plus 1 the whole square. How will you write 70 plus 1 into 70 plus 1? First number into second bracket plus second number into second bracket. 70 into 70, 4900. 70 into 1, 70. 1 into 70, 70. 1 into 1, 1. Adding 4900, 70, 70 and 1, you will get 5041. Okay students, these are the problems which you find in finding the squares without actual multiplication. Now, you saw various numbers here. Intentionally, I didn't put any numbers ending with 5. Did you see any number ending with 5? No. For numbers ending with 5, you have another property. Let's see what is that. Other patterns in squares. Now, here we are discussing the numbers which end in 5. See, 25, 35, 75, 15, 95, etc. Here all the numbers are ending with 5. So, how will you find the square of such numbers? Students, can you tell me what is the square of 5? 5 square. 5 square is 25. So, you can understand that if the number ends in 5, the last 2 digits of the answer will be 25. You can see here, 25 square, the last 2 terms are 2 and 5. 35 square, the last 2 terms are 25. 75 square, the last 2 terms are 2 and 5. 15 square, the last 2 terms are 2 and 5, and so on. Okay, then what is the relation between the first digit and the here what is the digits? 2 and 6. What is the relation between 2 and 6? 2 into 3 is equal to 6. That is 2 into the next number. 2 into the next number. Now let's see 3 and 12. 3 and 12. What is the relation between 3 and 12? 3 into 4. That is 3 into the next number. Which is the next number? 4. So it is easy for you to find the square of a number which ends with 5. Okay. The last 2 digits will be 2 and 5. And the remaining digits you can find like this. That is 2. If it is 2, 2 into the next number, 6. 3 into 4, 12. So what is here? 7 into 8, 56. Here 1. 1 into 2, 2. 9 into 10, 90. So by this we will end today's session. Thank you.